Let's talk about your business. So you said yes and you joined. Well, I'm going to show you and also tell you how my experience went. One thing that I want to let you guys know is when you start a business, I understand it's really, really exciting. It's really exciting and you want to just get everything set up and running, right? Well, here's a little bit of advice. I want you to slow down to speed up. If you jump into a course and you start learning the skills, remember you're learning. And it may take time to get everything set up. But if you don't go through the course and understand and play around with it and know exactly what you're doing, it's going to take you longer. So I'm going to show you, and I may have to do a part 2, so make sure you save this video, you share this video, and you smash that heart, and follow me, because I really love helping anybody who says yes. So I'm going to show you how to set up an opt-in page. And guys, make sure you understand what that means. You need System.io, and inside your training, it's going to tell you that. But you can also grab that in my Stan Store. You're going to create an account. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to purchase a domain name and a professional email. You can use Namecheap or you can use GoDaddy. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to go inside of your course that you just purchased, and I want you to understand, number 1, what is master resale rights? Number 2, what is digital marketing? And number 3, how to get around in the course. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to set up your phone to where it shows you the video, the training, the course of what you're going to do. And then I want you to set up your laptop. Once you have that done, you can slowly push start and stop. And I want you to follow the steps. The thing that I want you to remember, this is a business. It's a business that you're going to have forever. So don't rush through it. Educate yourself. Learn the skill. Show up every day. Maybe that's just an hour a day. But show up every day. Schedule it as an appointment and just keep putting one foot in front of the other. So I am going to make a part 2, and I'm going to show you how to do an opt-in page.